Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It has been this whole semester that I haven't really been posting. Yeah, I'm back at it. I'm changing up my hair again. Today I'm dyeing my hair darker. I'm getting ready this blonde. It's, you know, it's the winter, so I figured to go back to like my natural color, if not darker. And my roots coming in, you could definitely see a difference from the medium tone brown that was here and now my natural roots, which are practically black. So I think I'm doing like a bluish black. That's what I'm feeling today. So let's see what comes out. Hopefully it's good. I'm really excited. So yeah. I'm a little nervous just to see myself dark hair again, just because of course it's raining. Not surprised. Oh god. Hello everybody. Another vlog. Gabby and Marissa.
This lighting is awful.
It is. It really is.
Oh yeah, but no, I got iced tea here last time. The iced tea was like banging.
I had to, you know.
Cheers. I just don't want it to be too light for me because I want it in the summer too. But I'm also really light.
I don't. We're sporting.
I'm looking extra glowy right now. I don't understand why.
What?
My face is sort of glowing.
Okay, so I am back home. I just put on a little more makeup. I put on the Marc Jacobs foundation that I just bought at Sephora. And I think I'm gonna film a video, so this is my hair a little bit more up close, and yeah, I really love it. I like the dark on me. Actually, I look better than the blonde. I think it actually makes me look older having that darker hair. This hair is, obviously it's black. My hair is more of a dark brown, so it's a little bit darker. I feel like it's gonna fade as I wash it, so it won't be as dark, but honestly I really like it, so enjoying this video. I know like it's kind of PC, but I figured just to get it out there for you guys, my little hair transformation. And yeah, honestly I like it so much better. My hair looks more shiny, healthy, so I love it. Well, I hope you guys all enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I have a lot more videos coming up that are already filmed, and I just have to edit and get over you guys since it is break. And if you guys want any particular college videos, college advice videos, things like that, let me know down below. Yeah, I'll let you know how my semester went and everything like that. If you want that kind of video, give this a thumbs up, and love you guys. See you in my next video.